Hey guys, it's Kristin. So in today's video, I wanted to show you something you can make for breakfast on Valentine's Day. Right now, there's a lot of videos out there showing you, different recipes that you can make for like desserts and treats, chocolates, all sugary stuff. But I really wanted to show you something you can make for breakfast. So now let me show you what you need and how to make it. For this recipe, you will need 1 slice of bread, 1 egg, some butter, and a heart cookie cutter. Begin by buttering both sides of your bread and make sure you get right to the very edge. Now you're going to take your heart cookie cutter and place it right in the center of your bread and cut out the heart shape. Next, using some cooking spray, spray the inside and the outside of your cookie cutter. I recommend doing this right over the pan. Now put your bread in the pan, but keep them separated. And then place the cookie cutter back into the larger piece of bread. Now crack your egg and place it inside the hole where you cut the heart out. Put the temperature to a very low heat, cover your pan, and then let it sit there and cook for about 5 minutes. Once the egg starts turning white and looks like it's kind of solid, you can start flipping the bread over. You're going to want to first take out the cookie cutter very slowly and then quickly scoop your spatula underneath the bread as fast as you can and flip it over. Now place the bread on a plate with the side you originally had down in the pan now facing up. Then place the little cutout heart on top of the egg to complete your breakfast. When you go to eat it, the egg will break open very nicely, and now you've got bread to dip into the egg, and it's just an overall delicious breakfast. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. You can hit this bell right here to be alerted when I upload a new video, and don't forget to check out my Valentine playlist because I'm going to have a few more Valentine desserty type of ideas coming up very soon. So thanks for watching, and I will talk to you later.